Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change a page to landscape in Google Docs. Landscape orientation gives you extra horizontal space. This is perfect for wide tables, big images, charts, or booklet style layouts that just don't fit well in a normal portrait page. So let me show you how you can do this. If you want to change only one specific page to landscape, you just have to select everything in the page like this. Then you will click on File in top left corner. From the drop down, select Page Setup. And here you want to make sure you have selected Content Only. Then click on Landscape, click on OK. And this is how you can change page to landscape. If it also created a blank page, you can remove it by placing your cursor here and pressing backspace maybe a couple of times or one time. And then you're gonna have one landscape and one normal portrait page. So now if you would like to change everything into landscape, what you can do actually is click on File, Page Setup, and you want to make sure all document is selected, landscape. You can also change the margins if you want. So if you want to fit more text in the landscape even, so you can change it to 0.5, click on OK, and now you're gonna have all of the pages landscape. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.